Hello everybody, my name is CK-550. Today I'm going to quick unbox an affordable mechanical keyboard. It's the Cooler Master CK-550 mechanical keyboard, a full RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. This is $90 mechanical keyboard. I can already see lots of cool specs out of this box. So let's quick unbox this Cooler Master CK-550. So here it is, it's the Cooler Master keyboard. Yep, so what's more in this box? Yep, and you got some manuals, and you got this, a keycap changer. Yep, so you can easily change your keycap. You want to customize your keycap or you want to change something, it's here. So let's talk about what's on this keyboard. So you can see this keyboard is floating. So the keyboard is floating means you can easily clean this keyboard anytime. And the build quality, I think it's pretty good. You can see aluminum bodies. I think the most interesting part is all about this RGB lighting on this keyboard. You can customize your RGB lighting, just press this Cooler Master logo key and you can customize your speed, your color, your mode, or you want something more fancy. You also have this gaming mode built right in this keyboard. But if you want to customize more keys, you can download their software and you can customize all the keys by yourself. This is really dope. Let's listen to the sound of this mechanical keyboard. This is the slow one. And the fast one. This is a really good low budget keyboard. You can get so much function in a high-end keyboard. It's really too good. So I found a function that's pretty cool. So this function is about lock the Windows key. You just gotta press the Cooler Master F9. You can lock the Windows key and Alt. So when you are playing games and you want to press Control, maybe you will press Windows, pop out the Windows that's ignoring. So this function, I think it's pretty cool. It's built right in this keyboard. You don't need any software. So thumbs up. Yeah, that's it. So this is the keyboard. I think it's really so good. I really recommend this keyboard. Maybe you are still using the old clunky keyboard. Yep, so it's time to change your keyboard. Yep, so this is the end of this Cooler Master CK-550 mechanical RGB gaming keyboard. So if you like this video, press like, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to watch more unboxing video, check out this playlist. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.